Hello, my dear student. Today is 2nd of May, a very important day for all CA final student who is writing their exam for May 2023 attempt. From today, your CA final exam is going to be started, and the first paper is CA final financial reporting paper, my paper. Because of that reason, I am here in front of you all to give you all the best wishes for your exam, and my blessing will remain throughout your exams. Correct? But before I leave, I just want to share some tips which will help you during your exam period. First thing which you need to keep in your mind, that you are here, you are in exam hall to attempt 100 marks papers. You need to attempt 100 marks paper. Correct? Even you don't know, try to attempt 100 marks paper. Whatever you know, just write down and come. Correct? The first thing you need to keep your mind that you need to attempt 100 marks paper. Can I say, in the question paper, some question you know perfectly, and there are some question which you may not know so much perfectly, but then also you can write it, you can attempt it. So if you can attempt it, how much you know, that much you can write down. Understood? So you need to complete, you need to attempt 100 marks paper. Second thing which I just want to share with you all, that at this moment now don't discuss any new topic, new concept, new question from your friends. Friends are very important for your life, but at this moment try to ignore your friend, try to ignore all the discussion with your friends. Understood? Correct. Third point, don't read any new concept, any new topic at this moment. Whatever has been done, whatever you have done, that is more than enough to score good marks in exam. Only what you can do, you can revise from the expected question, means whatever expected question I have given, that only you can revise, but don't read any new topic. Suppose someone have said that this question may be important, but till now you have not done that question, at this moment I will say you can ignore that, because if you do that it may create some panic in your mind. Understood? Correct. Fourth point which is very important, that at this moment don't think about result, think about how you can attempt all the paper, how nicely you can write in exam, but don't think about result. Just try to give the best in your exam. How much you know, just give the best. If you know 80%, give 100% for that 80% mark. If you know 70%, give 100% for that 70%. Understood? So don't think about that you may or may not pass, you may or may not pass, that point should not come in your mind. Understood? So don't think about result at this moment, we'll think about result only after writing all the exam. At this moment, can I say, before writing exam, how can you think about result? Understood? So don't think anything about result, you will definitely pass, you will definitely pass, because you all are deserving candidates to become CA. Correct. Last point, don't forget to carry all that items which are necessary for the exam. For example, you need to carry two calculator. Okay, yes, you can carry two calculator. You should carry pen, pencil, eraser, whatever is required for the exam. Admit card, don't forget your admit card, that is very important. Also don't forget to carry water bottle, you can carry water bottle also. Correct. Whatever items required, please pack in a bag, ready for what exam. Understood? Yes sir. Last but not least, which is very important, don't forget to take blessing from your friend, parents. If your parents are not with you, just call them and take the blessing from them, because that will create a positivity in your body. That positivity is required for entering the exam hall. And if you can, if I will say, last 10 minutes 20 minutes before leaving for the exam, just be with your parents, just be with your parents, smile and just say them that I'm going to deliver the best, and their blessing are always with you. You'll definitely become CA in this attempt. My all blessing is always with you. All the best wishes once again for the exam. Bye bye, take care. We'll once again meet at 5 p.m. today only. Correct. For the analysis of the question paper. Bye bye, take care. Love you all.